What's up, everybody? So project we're working on today is the headliner. This up front here is the last bit of purple, gray, whatever. I don't even know what color this is. Like, what is that shit? That's horrible, right? Like, they use purple in the vans, but this is the last bit of that color in my van. So I had just taken down my overhead console to get a new windshield installed. But you know what? I think I'm just going to take this down and redo it, because it's the last piece of seriously ugly shit in here. So yeah, I think that's what's going to happen. First thing, this is all tucked up under here, so we got to pull this panel down, this pillar panel, and these just pull straight out. It's just little metal clips in there, and I'm not even going to take it all the way off, because if you look here, it's attached way up at the front somehow, some way, I don't know, but it's not really entirely necessary to fully remove it to get this off. So yeah, just like that. Same with this panel. This just pulls off. It's got these little metal clips. So now, after you do that, you just have to take this rubber piece and just pull that down. It pulls right down. It's not glued or anything. Now this headliner material, however, is definitely glued. You can see here, you can see that they glued it up around the edge. So I'm going to try not to tear it, so that I can copy this size exactly. See, not too bad. Once I peel all this off, I'm going to go back and clean up all this edge, get all that old foam off of there. I'm not even gonna do foam, I don't think. It's not necessary. But yeah, I'm gonna go clean that all up, scrape it off. And you can see how they had their foam just kind of spot glued on in places. Easy, this will be super easy. Now I don't want to take this panel off because the seat belt is there, so that'll be a big problem. Let me see if I can just slide the whole thing forward towards the windshield and take it off that way. Oh yeah. There we have it. So these are wires from my backup cameras. Seemed like a good spot to stick them, you know? So you can see the old headliner was down, hanging down like 4 inches or so. So man, maybe I can gain some of this space back. We'll have to see. Okay, I get it, this is faded, but why? Why would anyone use that color? Woo! Now mind you, this is in a van that had wood paneling also, and gray doors. Gray, wood, and purple. Oh, look at it. That's just nasty. I'm gonna push this trim back up in place for now, until I get all this put back together. I like how high this is. I might just upholster that metal, who knows. So all this wiring is for cameras and speakers. And some of it I no longer need, namely this stuff, because I'm moving that big monitor that I had to the back. So I'm just gonna take all this down for now, you know, kind of have a fresh slate. So these red wires are for all my external lights. I have a switch panel, switch panel, that goes up here. And all these wires go to this switch panel. But I think I'd like to at least put them in a loom or something. Make it not such a disaster. After looking at this for a bit, there's a lot of space here. I don't know if the camera can really get it, but my this panel that I have here for the back comes down this far. Now I could get rid of that, but it looks nice on the inside. So let me see. You know what? Maybe I might take that down. It would open it up a bit more. See, I had it there because that's how low the old headliner was sagging, was to that point. it was hanging like down to here, you know, and so it just kind of went straight across. But now I have all this extra space, so I could either do a new console that has like maybe like a center thing, you know, with pockets in it or something like that, or lights, and it can go back to here. But then I'd have to cover this up, so I may just take this piece off, this filler panel, and see how that looks. All right, I took that down. I didn't think I really needed to film it, but it's much nicer going out to here, not dropping down. When I'm walking through from, you know, from the seat to here, I don't have to dip down that low to you know, to get through. So I might just do something real flush with the ceiling, you know, and figure out something else for my switches. I do have speakers in the console though, so I don't know. I like having speakers up near my head because you know, who has ears in their ankles? So here we are inside, and I'm looking at the this cross brace that goes across, and it's like a serious dip right here. So I think I'm gonna try and like jack that up and bend that back straight, because there's like definite dip in this thing. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, if I can make like a cap that just fits around this thing like this, real smooth and low profile, that would be pretty good, you know. That might be the way to go. Man, I made a mess. Damn it. I'm in South Florida, and it's officially 2 hot o'clock, so I'll continue this later. All right, thanks for watching. Please give this a like and subscribe and all that other YouTube stuff, and hopefully I'll have an update real soon. See ya!